Makati Subway, hindi natuloy. Makati Taguig, Pasig Laban. Now, what was supposed to be the first subway system sa Pilipinas at first intra-city and LGU-funded project of this caliber, along with the dreams of such ever happening, ay nawalang parang bula.
Biggest projects that we are undertaking for this year is there is an unsolicited proposal from a company that will develop the first locally initiated mass transport system. The City of Makati plans to build, the City of Makati will be a beneficiary of a project which is a 10-kilometer subway system that has 10 stops that will connect the Central Business District to all the way to the second, which is the second district. Iko-connect po na yung hanggang Hospital ng Makati. That is for phase 1. Then may phasing ho silang sinasabi. Pero as far as the phase 1 is concerned, it is a 10-kilometer subway system that will be the plan will be by the end of this year, magga-groundbreaking na po kami. Ang gusto po natin na target ay 2025.
Idineklarang no longer feasible ang pinaplanong 10 underground stations na sasakop sa 10 kilometrong haba sa Makati CBD, Little Tokyo, First Circuit City, City Hall, Rockwell, UMAC at OSMAC. Nakakayanin ang tinatayang 27 commuters. 27,000 commuters kada oras.